Good morning, students. I hope all of you are well, studying well. Keep on studying. Okay. 3 chapters we had completed. Now it is chapter number 4, chemical bonding. Very important lesson. And I told you earlier also, 11th is basic. એના વગર ચાલે જ નહીં 12th સ્ટાન્ડર્ડમાં. એટલે કોઈ એમ કહે ને 11th ભણવું જ નથી એને લોકલ છે, અમે તો 12thમાં ભણશું, है ना. बहुत बड़ी गलती करते हैं. 11th के बिना 12th पॉसिबल ही नहीं है बेटा. इट्स बेसिक. दिस चैप्टर इज very very important. Okay, now first we have to study about like bonding between atoms and between molecules, and so many theories will be there in this chapter. We have to think that in a molecule, suppose we are having H2O, H2SO4, these are molecules. How will these molecules, different atoms, bind together? Why? 2 hydrogen, 1 oxygen, they live together in water molecule. Or in H2SO4, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7 atoms are there. How these 7 atoms combine together or live together in a molecule? Why they will not repel each other and separate thai alag thai jai? Why not? What is there which bind them together? So the attraction between atoms, molecules or ions is known as chemical bond. What is chemical bond? It is attraction between constituent particle in a molecule is known as chemical bond. So what is chemical bond? Chemical bond, it is attraction between constituent particle, attraction between atom, molecule or ion, between atoms, molecules or ions, which keep them together, which keep them together, known as chemical bond, known as chemical bond. So many type of bonds are there. Some chemical bond are actual bond and some are simple attraction only. We'll study so many types of bond. जैसे पढ़ेंगे ionic bond, है ना. फिर पढ़ेंगे covalent bond. फिर पढ़ेंगे dative bond. Dative bond, coordinate covalent bond is a type of covalent bond only. After that we'll study metallic bond. Between metal atom there is metallic bond. फिर हम पढ़ेंगे hydrogen bond. This is intermolecular attraction. આ બે મોલેક્યુલ વચ્ચે હોય, આ બે એટમ્સ વચ્ચે હોય. પછી ભણશું આપણે van der Waal bond, van der Waal attraction, है ना. So many types of bonds we will study in this chapter. What is bond? Bond is actually attraction between atoms so that atoms live together in a molecule. Attraction नहीं હોય तो कोई रह सके? एक फैमिली में 10-15 माणसों एक साथ रहता હોય because of attraction only. If there is repulsion among themselves, then what will happen? Separate થઈ જાય, nuclear family થઈ જાય. So in molecule also there is an attraction between the atom molecule so that they live together in a molecule. In this chapter we'll study about different type of bonds and theories given by different scientists. Okay. Now second question is, why two atoms combine to form a bond? Yeah, to form a molecule. So come bond बनावे. Why they combine? What's the need? Suppose we talk about noble gases. Noble gases means 18th group element. Helium, neon, argon, krypton. ये तो किसी के साथ combine नहीं होते. इनके तो compounds भी बहुत कम known है. जबकि सोडियम के compounds हैं, ऑक्सीजन के compounds हैं. तो why two elements combine? क्यों combine होते हैं जबकि noble gases तो combine नहीं होती हैं? Because noble gases have 8 electron in their last orbit, 8 electron in valence orbit. So they won't combine. They don't want any electrons. They are stable, and because of stable electronic configuration, they don't want any. They don't form any compounds. But other elements like sodium, potassium, oxygen, sulfur, their octet is not completed. Either they have less than 8 electrons or they have less than 8 only, but either they want to lose electron or they want to gain electron to become stable. Because all elements want 8 electron in their last orbit, and that is done by losing or sharing or gaining of electrons. So in order to complete octet, in order to get 8 electrons in the last orbit, all the atoms have tendency to form compound. Clear? For example, suppose we have sodium and chlorine. They combine to form sodium chloride. How they'll form sodium chloride? We know sodium configuration is 281. It has 1 electron in the last orbit. Chlorine has electronic configuration 287. It is short of 1 electron in the last orbit. What will happen when sodium and chlorine will combine? This will lose electron and chlorine will accept. When it lose electron, its configuration becomes 28. When it gain electron, its configuration becomes 288. Both have 8 electron in the last orbit, means they are stable, and then ions will combine and form NaCl. So they want to complete their octet, and they are completing their octet by losing or gaining of electron, and the compound is formed. Sometimes in case of chlorine, Cl2, both are chlorine atoms. Both have electronic configuration 287. Means both have tendency to gain electrons. If they gain 1 electron, then only their octet will be completed. So what they will do now? They will share their electrons. ऐसा तो नहीं होगा one chlorine lose, another chlorine will gain. No. They will share their electrons and complete their octet and become stable. So every element want to lose or gain electron, want to complete their octet, and that can do so with the help of gaining, losing or sharing of electron. And because of loss, gain or sharing of electrons, molecules will be formed, and attraction between the atoms or elements is known as chemical bond. Okay, next video we will talk about how the ionic bond is formed. For that, one theory is there, Causal and Lewis approach. In next video we will do that.